Hello world, it's Taylor at Kelly Sport up at the showroom with a brand new Bennington. I've got a 2026 25 QX fastback arch. This is the new QX 2026 model, complete redesign on the body. White with the anthracite dual stripe top and bottom. Clean white and silver look throughout the boat with all the metal on the logos and the grab rail there new on top. QX marquee back here on the back. Good old American flag, need that. For power, we got a white Yamaha 300. This is the fully digital 300, digital throttle and digital steering. Being the fastback, you've got the speaker pods back here. There is a radio control over there on the left side. And then they added these nice steps back here, or it could be a seat next to the cup holder. For the interior, we did silver and white. Nod to the outside coloring. Dual buckets on this layout, his and hers. Got a nice little station there for your cups next to your boarding door. This is the new helm design for the QX. Triple screen, you've got the Bennington Vivid screen up top, digital switching left, and Garmin on the right. Good look at the front furniture there. This is the sport interior, so you've got the quilted diamond pattern in the middle, the fold-up headrest, and the fold-down armrest. Little change in material. Try to get a close look there for you. A little softer to the touch, kind of nice. Redesigned on this body, the storage up here. Just an overall welcomed upgrade to the already awesome QX. Again, this is a 2026 25 QX fastback arch here at the showroom. Stop by and see it for yourself or give me a call. Again, my name's Taylor. Thanks for your time.